Hi there everyone, welcome back to Infinity Drones. Today's just a quick public service announcement. There's been a new firmware upgrade for the Air 2 as well as the Air 2S that prevent you from downgrading the firmware, which makes hacking impossible. Okay, there's no new features or items that's been enabled or added to the firmware. It's just DJI blocking you from downgrading the firmware. So essentially making sure that you cannot use the DroneX application and mod or unlock your drone. So please guys, if you ever get a chance, go to the DroneX website. On this page over here, there's always an easy option for you to go to. Click on what's new. You can clearly see what is the new or the latest compatible app that you can use on DJI Fly app, and if the DroneX application or service is currently running or not. The Mavic 3 is currently supported. It's very important to see, only via the DroneHacks companion app for Android phones. But this is the key one. Always come take a look at this page over here where you guys can see what firmware is giving issues currently. So at the moment, the new Air 2 and the new Air 2S firmware will prevent you from downgrading the firmware, meaning that you cannot mod your drone anymore and you will lose all of that functionality. There's nothing new in the new firmware that is adding new functionality or features. It's just DJI locking the system more, that you cannot hack your drone anymore. So please guys, spread the word and make sure that everyone knows they should not update their firmware. I'm going to leave a link in the top right description as well in the description of the video of how to not upgrade your firmware, how to prevent it via the DJI Fly application or on your drone's software. So please guys, share the word, do not update your firmware. If you like the content that I'm making, please consider to like, comment and subscribe.